So today we are diving into a crucial aspect of our health, and that is the mind and the body connection, because stress is not just an emotional experience. It manifests itself physically, and it can affect and intensify any physical discomfort or pain that we have. The connection between our mental state and our physical body, it's like a dynamic two-way street. Our bodies respond to stress in ways that we are often not even aware of, and this can lead to physical symptoms and discomfort, and I see this in my patients all the time. I'm a naturopathic doctor with over 20 years of experience, and so many of my patients have physical pain that gets worse with stress. So to help manage this problem, I'm going to share with you 3 really fast-acting stress relief techniques that you can start to use right now today. And trust me, you might even laugh at the third one. The first one is just to simply take a deep breath. Now, this might sound obvious, but it is an incredibly effective technique, deep breathing. When we get stressed out, our breathing tends to become shallow. It might seem obvious, it can be profoundly impactful just to deepen your breathing. When you take a deep breath, it's not just about filling up your lungs. This action helps to also decrease your heart rate, it lowers your blood pressure, and it can reduce the production of stress hormones. So the next time you find yourself right in the middle of a stressful situation, in an argument, or you're on a long wait in line, or you just take a pause and take a deep and deliberate breath. It's a simple act that can significantly calm both your mind and your body. Moving on to number 2, and this is a really interesting one. We are talking about using your peripheral vision, the vision out of the sides of your eyes. Now, this might be a new thing for some of you. You have central vision, and that's what you use to focus on directly. And then you have peripheral vision, which captures everything else around the outside. And if you shift your focus from your central vision to your peripheral vision, you begin to activate what's called your parasympathetic nervous system. Now, that's the part of your nervous system that is responsible for the rest and relax state of being, in contrast with the fight or flight state of being that's induced by stress. You can try this technique whenever you feel anxious or stressed. Simply allow your gaze to kind of soften and expand out to the sides, and you will be surprised at how calming and immediately relieving that can be when you're feeling stressed. Okay, and we are on to stress relief technique number 3, and I understand this one might get a giggle out of some of you. It might even get a giggle out of me. This technique is to unclench your butt. Yes, you heard that correctly. Stress often leads to physical tension in less noticeable areas of our bodies. In the pelvic floor is included in that, including the anal sphincter itself. When we are under stress, some people clench their jaws, they clench their fists. Many people also unconsciously tighten their pelvic floor muscles, and that includes the anal sphincter. This tension is not only uncomfortable, but it can also exacerbate the feelings of stress that we already have. So the next time you're feeling overwhelmed, check in with your body. Are you clenching here? Are you clenching here? Are you clenching down there? And if you are, consciously relax those muscles. It's a simple move that can have a profound effect on reducing the overall tension in your body and correspondingly in your mind. So these techniques are all based on a fundamental mind-body principle, and that is by shifting your attention away from the mental stress into physical relaxation, you can transform the tension in your body into tranquility, whether it's through controlling your breath, adjusting your vision, or relaxing specific muscles, including the ones of your pelvic floor. These methods can be quick, effective, and practiced anywhere, anytime. Give them a try, see how they work for you. Now listen, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Click that notification bell for more tips on natural medicine and natural health. And remember, managing your stress is crucial for both your mental and your physical body. Take good care.